Like what I said nga kanina, every day was very challenging. Plus shooting the action sequences. You know, we just had to adapt, we had to survive, and we had to, you know, do our jobs the best way we can. Pero mahirap talaga yung weather conditions. Di nga, gaya na sabi ni Anthony, pag nabasa kasi yung kamay mo, yun na yun, like, you know, ang hirap na nun. So we need gloves, so we had to wear waterproof gloves, waterproof socks, shoes, and everything. So it was hard. Talagang, tapos siyempre yung light, you know, yung daylight, kailangan namin hinahabol lagi. A lot of challenging conditions, but you know, we were able to manage. I think we did a good job.
How many weeks were you guys there?
Almost 2 weeks, I think.
Wow, that's super cold. Do you guys remember how cold it was? Negative?
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6, yeah.
Kulang pa, dapat may negative 15. Feels like negative 15.
Pero pag may wind gust, medyo malala siya.
Thank you for that. For Baron, hindi madali ang character mo bilang Miguel Texon. How?
We shot this episode of Incognito in Yamagata, in Japan. Sobrang lamig dun sa lugar na yun. At talagang snow every day, non-stop rain, snowfall. If you're gonna ask me kung bakit to,
yes, bakit?
well, hindi ko rin alam. Siguro pinili nila yung pinaka-maraming snow na area because we really wanted to capture na ibang terrain na talagang all white. We wanted that all white feel, and I think we got it and more. Every day talagang non-stop yung snowfall. Na-experience namin legit na snowstorm. And you know, hats off to our crew. Kasi yung crew namin sobrang hirap din ang pinagdaanan nila, you know, managing all the equipment, you know, cameras, the lenses, everything at the same time in that kind of weather condition. Talagang it was challenging for everyone. Every day, we were tested every day. And, you know, we were able to do it as a group, as a unit. And, you know, after that, parang you can take us anywhere. That's a type of experience that after that, kahit saan nyo ako dalhin next.
Ay, grabe. Direct.
Biglang ikaw yung next.
Daniel, may question din ako. How was your experience shooting in Japan? Especially the fight scenes. Hindi ba kayo natumba, nag-slide, buo naman lahat ng buto?
Oo, kasama yun. Kasama yung madumi kasi di mo may iwasan. Talagang yelo yung tinatapakan mo. Natuklasan namin na meron parang nilalagay sa sapatos para yung madulas. No, last day na.
Bawi na.
Di ba na? Pero okay lang. Kasama yun kahit sa, di ba, pagka tuloy-tuloy yung action, kahit madulas ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Kasama yun kahit sa totoong buhay, nangyayari yun. Okay lang. Dahil yung nagpapatotoo dun sa action.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. So, we're still waiting for Sir Ian, and this is for
Skyway.
Nasa Skyway na po ba? Yes. Lumilipad na po. Lumilipad na po sa Skyway.
Sakto, solo yung interview niyo sa yung sa tractor, dumarating pagka.
Yes, malapit na kasi. Lumilipad na po siya. Okay, this question, let's start the Q&A, guys. This question is for Sir Jay.
Wala, iba na yung ano namin eh. Iba na yung samaan namin lahat. Sabi nga ni Sir Gray, unit. Totoo yun. Kahit saan kami dalhin, basta magkakasama, okay ka. At saka magtutulungan talaga. Totoo yun. On and off sa set yan. Kasi kahit nasa set kami, hindi rin siya madali. Pagpapunta sa set, wala sa set, papunta pa lang, pagod ka na, ganun kami. So kami yung nagbibigay ng, siguro ng lakas ng loob sa isa't isa. Nakabalik.
Would you say brotherhood na to?
Oo.
Kapatiran?
Lalo na sa, totoo yun. Tsaka sa mga eksena namin hindi rin madadali. Kami rin ang nagtutulungan talaga.
sure sa weather doon sa Japan, kayo din na release ng sipon ninyo.
Bisa, tutulo na yung ulo mo. Tapos, ano yung isang tanong mo, madam?
Gusto mo ba ng more projects na ganito?
Oh,
With your team?
Yeah, siyempre. Kahit mag-season 2 pa ako, walang problema. Tapusin muna natin daw. Tingnan muna tayo sa
Mount Everest naman daw ang next. Thank you so much, Daniel. Sa lahat ng mga mission na nagawa ninyo, what do you consider mission impossible and why?
Mission Impossible.
You mean sa show? Or like...
It's up to you how you want to answer.
Well, ako... Mission Impossible. I think a mission is only impossible if you're doing it alone. But if you're with a team, with a unit, anything is possible. So,
Wonderfully said. Palakpakan naman po natin, everyone. Ano ang pinakagusto mo sa pinagagawa mo ng action? And ano naman ang pinaka-challenging for you?
Actions talaga. No, it's this genre is new to me, and na-enjoy ko lang yung genre na to. Wala naman akong gustong i-label na actions talaga. Wala. It's just a role also, you know. Gusto ko lang, nagustuhan ko itong genre na to dahil ang dami ko natututunan sa sarili ko. Ang dami ko natututunan sa sarili ko. Nasusubukan ko yung sarili ko. Minsan hindi ko alam na kung kaya ko pa. Sinasakit ko yung sarili ko. Pag nagawa ko yun so kaya ko pala yun, alam mo yun, medyo, mas nandun siya nakikilala ko yung sarili ko, and I enjoy it. I enjoy the action, di ba, mas very physical.
Nasa dugo mo rin, di ba? Ano masasabi mo doon?
Siguro sinanay ako ng nanay ko sa action, bata ako. Sinanay niya ako umilag. Hindi ko lang, hindi.
Queen mother.
Siguro sa tulong din ng director namin, you know, ito ng mga kasamahan ko rito, sila Chard, at siyempre sa gabay din ng mga magulang ko at ng mga uncle ko, natututo ng konti.
Thank you, Daniel. Okay, Anthony, my question is, you guys the most watched show in Netflix and in Taiwan? Yes.
Siyempre po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng tumangkilik ng Incognito simula nung nag-umpisa po kami hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po at sana panganin nyo itong napanood natin lahat na trailer. Talagang lugod pawis po ito. Itong binigay po namin dito at sigurado po kami na gugustuhan nyo ang mga eksena namin sa Itogon, lalo na po sa Japan. At yun, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal.
Thank you for all the love and support sa Incognito. We're very grateful na na-enjoy niyo yung palabas namin. And I also want to congratulate and thank the entire team of Incognito for the job well done. You know, the job's not finished, but all the hard work is paying off. All the hard work is worth it. Coming into this project, we knew that it's not going to be easy doing an action series, you know, all over the place, all over the world. But we are able to manage everything, and we have a good show on our hands. I would also like to thank the Netflix team, of course, dahil I consider this as one of my legacy projects. Sa pinanadami ng ginawa ko, this is definitely top 3, I think, of what I've done in my career. I think Netflix was able to give us a broader audience. Maraming mga eyeballs ngayon ang naka-engage sa Incognito na hindi nanonood before ng local channels, and now they're watching on Netflix. So thank you for Netflix, for the platform, for the opportunity, and of course to ABS-CBN.